Which is the largest living bird? Ostriches are indeed tall and are the largest living birds. A male may stand 10 feet high and weigh more than 330 pounds. The ostrich has a number of adaptations that compensate for its inability to fly. And speaking of running, an ostrich can sustain 30 miles per hour for 15 minutes or more and can achieve 43 miles per hour for short bursts. The male has black body plumage with white tail feathers and wing quills. The smaller females are dusky gray in color. In both male and female, the heads and long necks are sparsely covered with down. Ostriches are nomadic animals wandering to wherever food is available. Ostriches can go long periods without water. Ostriches are polygamous. Typically, a male has a harem of 3 to 5 mates. The females in the harem generally lay their eggs. A single ostrich egg may weigh more than 3.5 pounds, as much as 20 to 24 chicken eggs. The females in a harem incubate the eggs during the day. The male sits on them at night. The eggs take about 6 weeks to hatch.